Hello, welcome back to the video brought to you by Simone Nicole TV, and that's on what? Period, boo. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys another Airbnb. This one is located in Buckhead off of Roswell. This is my first time staying in this area. We didn't really get to explore because we're not really gonna be here. We weren't here for very long, but this was the most comfortable, cozy one. I won't say most comfortable, but the most cozy and the most quiet for sure. And I feel like the most bang for your buck at this location. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the Airbnb, and of course I'm gonna put the link down below in case you guys want to compare the video to the picture that you see online and possibly stay at this location. So this is the door. When you first walk in, you have a closet here that you can open and put things in. We didn't use it for anything. I'm assuming this is laundry from either other guests or clean laundry for us to use if we need to change the sheets. Not sure. But there's a closet there to the right you can use. When you walk in, you'll first see the kitchen. I love the open space of the kitchen. I love the counter space. I love the cabinet space. A fully stocked kitchen with a fridge, oven, stove, microwave, and a dishwasher. Yes, we love that. We love that. Everything you could possibly need in a kitchen and more. Yes, freaking pots, honey. Because in the studio we stayed in, this ain't about the studio. Let me stay on task. But yeah, you have pots, pans, non-stick. It looks like to the good stuff. Coffee maker, toaster. So, leaving from the kitchen to the left, when you walk in, you'll have the laundry room. There's a washer and dryer you can use. And they also have products up there you can use too in case you didn't have any of your own. Straight ahead is living room. And then all the way to the left is one of the entrances to the bathroom. So I'm gonna take you to the living room first and we'll work our way around that way and we'll end up back here. So walking through the kitchen, you have the sectional couch, which I really love. Amel is the host for the Airbnb. You might be able to tell it's very simple, very minimalistic, which I don't mind. In the comments they were saying it didn't really have much of a homey touch to it, but it has all the essentials. This smells really good. It has a nice touch to the Airbnb. There's a workout mat, there's a speaker over there, there's an ironing board. You can control your air in this one. Can't walk over there. He said not to walk on the carpet with your shoes on, so I can't. Let me take my shoes off real quick. So this is the sectional. It's very comfortable. Table in the middle for you to either eat off of or just, place your cup. TV stand. And then there's a balcony. There's a chair right here in case you want to go out to the balcony because it's not a fully furnished balcony at all. Like I said, it's very minimalistic. He said that you can smoke out here on the balcony if you want. Just don't smoke inside. Neither one of us smoke, so we don't really have, But this is how it looks in the back. There's a pool down there, and it's pet friendly. I don't know if you guys can hear me. There's a dog park area, I think somewhere. Was that the dog park area? I don't know. We don't have any pets with us, but this is the balcony area. That's the backyard, the view from the balcony. And then coming back, gonna go to the right into the bedroom. Here's the bedroom. Why am I walking around in the dark? Okay, we have the light on in this room. There's a TV over there, and then there's the bed. And then to the left of the bed, you have a closet where he keeps all the towels. He had plenty of towels and cloths for us. And then you have the two nightstands. There's no lamp, but that's all right. And there's no drapes covering the blinds to stop the sun from getting in the morning. So you're not an early morning person, you're gonna be one staying here because the sun will wake you up. The bed, y'all, is so comfortable. It's so soft. It's Tempur-Pedic. It has like the foam memory thing to it. It just feels so, you just sink in it all night long. Okay, moving on to the bathroom over here. This is a very spacious bathroom. I didn't realize it was gonna be this big through the pictures. Pictures don't do it justice, but yeah, this is the bathroom. I really like the setup, the layout of this apartment. I love that it's 2 entries to get in case we, if we wanted to have guests over, we wouldn't have to have them walking through the bedroom to use the bathroom, which is nice. And then of course a full shower with a tub, tub, regular, but you know, it's decorated, so that's cute. And then that is the whole entire Airbnb. The only thing that I will mention, let's flip the camera around. Oh yeah, here's the kitchen again. We're back to the kitchen. So yeah, like I said, we'll end up back where we started. It's one big circle. So the one thing I would want to mention to you guys is that even though you don't have to pay for anything extra when it comes to parking, it's gonna be like a 5-minute walk, it seems, to get from the parking deck to the Airbnb. But you know, that's fine. It feels very safe anyways. Like the route, you don't really see too many people anyways, because I feel like it's very like quiet here. People are like just doing their own thing and it's spread out. I don't know. I didn't see too many people while we were staying here, but we only stayed here for one night. But that is the end of my Airbnb tour in Buckhead. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye.
No tears, no time to cry, just